Hey guys, Itsisaactech here, and today we'll be talking about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 refresh because last year's model was garbage, absolute garbage. But before we dive into it, make sure to like and subscribe. Now let's get to it. First, let's talk about the display size of this thing. The original Fold cover display was already pretty big. Now the Z Fold 2 is a further 1.6 inches bigger, and this is largely due to the thinner bezel, so you can expect for the display to go from corner to corner. The Z Fold 2 is also so fluid in its transition from different screens, which is so important seeing as the whole point of the phone is to go from the compact display to a much wider, almost tablet-esque display. Again, did I say the thinner bezel? I like that word. Say it with me, bezel. The screen refreshes at 20 Hz. The display has also been made using ultra thin glass. I mean really thin. I mean this glass, according to reports, is much thinner than human hair. You really can't make this up. Say it with me, technology. Again, did I tell you the display is corner to corner? You know, for your adult entertainment needs. Wink wink. You can use 3 apps at once by using multi-active window. The windows can also be resized or reconfigured to your liking, which is definitely something Samsung offers, which Apple does not. Noticeable UI customizations. You can also create shortcuts to launch up to 3 apps at once. So for me, it would be YouTube, Instagram, and Chrome. There is also a drag and drop feature which allows you to actively work seamlessly between windows. So for examples, you could work on an Excel spreadsheet and a presentation at the same time, really taking multitasking to the next level. The Galaxy Fold 1 had a lot of issues when it came to durability. The original phone had some documented screen issues along with some fold issues. I mean, how do you have a phone that's meant to fold, not fold? I just don't understand. But Samsung held back the release of the Z2 by a few months to get the durability sorted, so we're gonna have to wait and see on that one. Now for the reason why most of us are here, the camera. But before we go on, please make sure to like and subscribe. The camera, boasting a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. For those influencers watching this video, that means very clear pictures. Additionally, there are also both ultra wide and telephoto lenses, all 12 megapixels with image stabilizations. The front facing camera is 10 megapixels. The phone does not support 8K video, but 4K recording on here would be very comfortable and useful. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 comes out in a large array of colors, most of which you can only get by ordering directly from Samsung themselves. In terms of pricing, the Galaxy Z Fold 2 is available for $1,199. Previously $1,200, but due to the pandemic, I think they brought it down to $1,199. Anyways, but make sure to like and subscribe. It's Itsisaactech, tech tips for you. Have a nice day.
And I've been chilling, watching the ocean with you. Baby up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our clouds when people change, but not us. And we just chilling, kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good.